Video blocked on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So a lot of times you may receive the new notification that your video has been locked or blocked from the profile. So this kind of notification, when it comes to your profile, do not delete the video. Rather, what you can do is just go to the notification center and then select on the notification that says your video has been blocked, and as a tap on that you'll have two options of either removing the video or appeal. You have to select an appeal section, and as you tap on appeal you'll be able to tap on your name and send the appeal to the Instagram team, and after waiting for 30 seconds you'll be given this notification that your video has been restored and you'll be able to get the video on your profile back again. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, get a like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.